So today in my kitchen we've been making gluten-free crackers. Absolutely nailed it. They are insanely delicious, super easy to make, very quick to bake. We've got buckwheat flour, tapioca flour, gluten-free oats and ground sunflower seeds in there. So let's go take a quick peek and see how easy they are to make. But before we do that, please remember to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube if you haven't already.
So the first thing that you're going to do is actually grind some sunflower or pumpkin seeds and then add all your dried ingredients. So that's ground seed, buckwheat flour, tapioca or cassava flour and roll oats. Just give them a little mix in and then add some water and coconut oil. You also need a little bit of sea salt in this lot. And then once you've done that, you want to mix it in with a spoon and then get your hands in there until you get a nice dough ball, and then get a nice flat surface. We've used a chopping board here and then we've sprinkled on some buckwheat flour. That's important to stop the dough sticking to the board. And this is actually my mum doing this because she's been visiting me here, so I thought we'd do something fun together, make crackers. And then once you've done that, you want to roll it out. So you want to get a rolling pin. If you haven't got a rolling pin, just get a large jar and use a jar instead. That'll work fine. Roll it out. You don't want to turn it like you would with traditional wheat pastry. You probably just want to turn the board. Because it doesn't have gluten in, it might tear if you turn it. So just roll it out. If it does tear, don't worry about it. Just squish it back together with your fingers until it's about 3 or 4 millimeters thick, just nice and evenly. You want to get a nice sharp heavy knife and cut it up into squares or triangles, whatever you fancy. And once you've done that, you want to scrape it off either with a spatula or a big knife and then put it onto a baking tray that I've just oiled this super lightly with coconut oil. And once you've done that, I want to put them into a preheated oven at about 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I'm going to cook them, bake them for about 10 minutes. But I do want to keep an eye on them. If they're a little bit thinner or a little bit thicker, it can really change the bake time on them. So if they look like they've started to tan, they're probably ready. We did actually a couple of batches here and one batch was slightly thinner. So some of them started to tan quicker and were maybe a little bit overcooked. So try and get them evenly. And once you've done that, just take them out, put them on a cooling rack and they're good to go.
Okay, so we're going to do a little taste test. Oh, wow. I think these are the best gluten-free vegan crackers I've ever tasted. So thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know how you get on with your gluten-free crackers. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.